what's an AI receptionist? If you're wondering if you need to adopt this into your business, this video is for you. These days, 90% of customers expect an immediate response, and most of them prefer interacting with AI agents if it guarantees faster service. So today we'll cover 3 things: what an AI receptionist actually is, what it does on a real call, and the honest comparison, AI versus voicemail versus a human at the front desk. Let's dive into it. First, let's clear something up. An AI receptionist is not that robotic phone menu. Press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, and it's not a voicemail bot. It's an AI voice agent that picks up your business line and actually talks to people naturally. The caller says what they need in their own words, and the AI understands, responds, and takes action, just like a great front desk person would. But what actually happens when someone calls? 4 things. 1, it answers instantly, 24/7, weekends, holidays, whether it's 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. This is the core difference from everything that came before. 2, if it doesn't know the answer, it routes appropriately. The sales question goes to sales, and the support issue goes to, you guessed it, support. There's no menu and no transfers to the wrong person. It just understands where the call belongs. 3, it books. It checks the calendar, locks in the slot, and sends a confirmation. For a lot of businesses, this alone pays for the whole thing. 4, it qualifies. It asks the same questions your team would ask. What do you need? What's your timeline? So your people only spend time on calls that actually matter. The one that surprises people is languages. A good AI receptionist, like the one we have at CloudTalk, speaks 60 plus languages out of the box. Now the real question is, how does it compare against what you have today? Let's look at voicemail first. And let's be honest, this is where leads go to die. Most callers hang up the moment they hear the beep. Today, it's just not an option. What about a human receptionist? Obviously, they're great at the hard stuff, like reading the room and calming down a frustrated customer or making judgment calls. AI still can't match that, and I am not going to pretend it can, but a human handles 1 call at a time, 40 hours a week, and costs a full salary. An AI receptionist handles every call, 168 hours a week for a fraction of that cost. So the smart setup isn't AI instead of human, it's AI as the first layer. Answering, routing, booking, qualifying, and your people focus on the conversations that actually need a human. This way, nothing slips through and nobody's stuck doing repetitive, unfulfilling work. Which brings me to the thing no human receptionist can do and is the cornerstone of AI-powered front desks: knowing every caller's entire history the second the phone rings. Most AI answering apps just sit on top of your phone line. CloudTalk builds the AI receptionist into the phone system itself, synced with your CRM like HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zendesk, and many, many more. So when a call comes in, the AI already knows who is calling, what they bought, and the issue they raised 3 months ago. It routes based on that history and never asks customers to repeat what they've already told you. And that's the shift that propels your customer satisfaction. But don't take my word at face value. Look at the results themselves. Circle Gym, for example, a fitness studio in Spain, used to lose callers whenever the front desk couldn't pick up. Now AI answers every call, day or night, and locks in appointments on the spot. They went from 4 trial bookings a day to 10. If you want to hear an AI receptionist answering your own business line, there is a free CloudTalk trial link in the comments. There are no credit card requirements, so there's no commitment, and you can set it up in minutes. If this video helped you on your AI-powered journey, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.